G'day, welcome back viewers. I just want to thank all my subscribers for hanging in there. I know I haven't put anything up for a long time, so I've been meaning to, but as you can understand, there's a fair bit of work involved in making a surfboard plus filming. So I'm going to use the phone this time, cut down a bit of work. Hopefully it'll be okay. So what I'm planning to do is make a new board and go step by step. But first, as you can see, we're back in the shed. Come with me, I've got a few improvements to show you. So I built myself a new shaping room with all the newfangled lights. Makes the job heaps better, heaps easier. And I've got heaps of storage, put my timber on the roof. Couple of racks on the wall. Pretty happy with it actually. So I'll show you this, what we've got here. This is a core shaped by Rodney Dahlberg up in Yamba, Dahlberg Surfboards. Might remember him from, he used to shape Ockies boards. Anyway, so he's whipped me up a shaped core. I've been up there and seen him, spoke about what I'm looking for. I know it's a shaping machine, but you can't beat them really. Well, you can do it by hand, but it's just a lot easier, especially when I'm doing this wood wrap technique. This makes life a bit easier. My shapes are okay. I haven't shaped a lot. Here's one up here on the rack. But I think you can't beat going with someone who's been shaping boards for nearly over 50 years or so. So the plan is I'm going to put this board together. I'll give you a look. And I'll do a step-by-step process so you can follow me on the way. So I'll do these little short videos, little episodes on each stage of the board. Hopefully you'll be able to follow that, and I'll give you a few tips. Anyway, I'll show you how I'm doing it. I'm sure there's heaps of other ways to do it. This is the way I've been doing it, and we'll just go through it, eh? So if you stay with me, keep subscribing, and we might all learn something in the end. Okay, thanks for viewing, and stay tuned for the first episode where I'll go through this step by step and give you a bit of an insight on what I've been doing. Okay, cheers.